Hi, kindergartners. All right, this week we are doing science. I know it's a subject I changed up. We are doing science this week. I love science. I'm so excited. And last time we did science, we were really focusing in on living, the needs, that all things have needs in living and non-living things, and what makes something living, what makes something non-living. Now we're going to be looking specifically at plants and what plants need. So when you go to your button here, your Studies Weekly button, you're going to make sure you click on the Science magazine, and then you're going to look at your assignments beneath it. Now the most recent one, the one on the bottom, will be this one, and it will say Week 12, Plants Have Needs. And you're going to look all about what plants are. First, that they are living things, which is super weird, right? Plants can't get up and walk around and talk to you, right? But they are alive. Even if they're not just like people, they are alive. Now plants move. They have something called phototropism, which is the coolest word ever. Phototropism means that a plant will shift so that it is closer to sunlight. It gets more sunlight. So I have these plants in my window, see them? And I have to rotate them all the time because they want to get closer to sunlight. Let me show you this one. This one right here grows down flat and moves closer to that window, and I have to rotate it all the time. It moves all the time. Plants are so weird. I love it. So you're going to learn all about plants this week. We're going to look at what plants need. The things that plants need are sunlight. They need oxygen. Well, technically they need carbon dioxide. That sounds weird. But they need the air around us, and they specifically need the air we breathe out. We breathe in oxygen, or we breathe out carbon dioxide. They need that carbon dioxide to survive. Nutrients in the soil. They need water. They need space. They can't be too crowded. And they need safety. And for a plant to grow well, you have to match all of its needs. So you know how this works. You listen to each section, you collect coins, and you move on to each one. Now, there is an activity and a test that you're going to be doing. But remember, I really like when you listen to the magazine, and I would do it today. I'd listen to it again tomorrow. I wouldn't take the test until Friday, okay? So that you get to study the content a couple times before you take the test on Friday. Have a great science week, and let me know if you need any help.